Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Today's lesson is how to do an automatic message on your Facebook fan page with the chatbot inside Builderall. This is inside the new back office. You've got a new home page and you can put any tool that you like on your home page, add them, take them away. So I've got a couple of the ones I use. So all you have to do is click on this. If you want to know how to use this particular tool, there are some tutorials there and they go on to more in-depth trainings. If you want to remove it from the home page, you can, but I want to enter it. I've actually just put a post on my Facebook fan page called Millionaire Mom, believe it or not. And inside the chatbot, there is lots of things like greater tools, broadcasting, flows, and everything. But this is the basic answer a post. So if they got, hang on, so existing page, Millionaire Mom, view posts. And it should come up with the exact post. Look, there it is. Now, all you've got to do is select this post for auto answer. Then you have to use condition. So that we've asked them to write the word info. So if you go info, 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 please. Anything that you think, capitals, not capitals, anything you like. Me, anything with a comma, yes, yes, please, there you go. Okay, so it's always best to go hello first name or hi there first name. So you copy the brackets as well and it'll come up their first name. Hello there, Sally or John. So congratulations on taking action. You're one step further to reaching your goal. Then you can get the link, which is here. You copy and paste it. The newest one, because it's only just come out. Only just this week. So the great Gavin strikes again. He's updating his trainings and he's excited. I've lost. Here we go. I've lost it. Here we go. So here's the link there. And then see you on the inside. He's got a group, you see, so I will see them on the inside. And don't forget a little smiley face as well, because people love smileys. So I like that one. And then just put your name. So I don't want to delay, because when they write the word info, I want it to go straight away and answer only once. Save. So that's it, guys. Then you go and ask your friend to actually test it, because you can't test it on your own. But that's it. It takes 2 seconds. You can do that for any amount of posts that you like. So go and practice. Go and practice, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and get your free trial for Builderall. There's a webinar going around as well. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.